To complete Associate Networking Exam DEA-5TT1 test, you can come to choose DEA-5TT1 exam dumps from DumpsBase to learn all the exam questions and answers first. We share DEA-5TT1 free demo questions online to help you read the free online test first. Then you will find DEA-5TT1 DELL EMC certification exam dumps questions are great. Question number 1. Which type of domains are connected by a Layer 2 switch? A. Single collision domain and a single broadcast domain. B. Multiple broadcast domains and multiple collision domains. C. Multiple collision domains and a single broadcast domain. D. Single collision domain and multiple broadcast domains. Answer: C. Question number 2. Which field of the 802.3 frame is used by network interface cards to synchronize their receivers? A. Start frame delimiter. B. Preamble. C. Cyclic redundancy check. D. Frame check sequence. Answer: B. Question number 3. At which layer of the OSI model is the rapid spanning tree protocol used to prevent switching loops? A. Physical. B. Network. C. Data link. D. Transport. Answer: C. Question number 4. Which port and protocol is used by SNTP to communicate? A. TCP port 123 for both the source and destination. B. TCP port 123 for the source and TCP port 80 for the destination. C. UDP port 123 for both the source and destination. D. UDP port 123 for the source and TCP port 80 for the destination. Answer: C. Question number 5. What is the valid range assigned to a client during a TCP connection? A. 20 to 25. B. 443-1000. C. 1023 to 2024. D. 4000-65535. Answer: D. Question number 6. Which option is used to configure Network Address Translation (NAT) to provide one-to-one mapping between local and global addresses? A. Outside source static. B. Overload. C. Inside source static. D. PAT. Answer: C. Question number 7. Which Layer 1 device can be used to enlarge the area covered by a single LAN segment? A. Router. B. Repeater. C. Switch. D. NIC. Answer: B. Question number 8. Which topology is considered a best practice when stacking switches? A. Ring. B. Cascade. C. Serial. D. Daisy chain. Answer A. Question number 9. What are network address translation (NAT) inside global addresses? A. Addresses used by NAT router when sending frames to devices on the local network. B. Public IP addresses used by the local network to communicate with the Internet. C. Private IP addresses used by the local network. D. Public addresses used by other networks outside of the local network. Answer B. Question number 10. What accurately describes the Simple Network Time Protocol (SNTP)? A. Time synchronization algorithms are more complex and account for clock drift. B. Client makes sudden changes in time to keep synchronized. C. Client synchronizes among a set of distributed time servers. D. Implemented on a DELL EMC network OS 9 and OS 10. Answer D.